Hey guys, David here at the CrystaLac Company, hanging out in the man cave section of the plant. Me and Danny Williams are our new distribution managers, hanging out in the office and plotting ways to take over the world. But I wanted to address something that I've saw a couple of times this week, maybe more, in the different groups that the CrystaLac Company is involved in, and it's talking about glossy surfaces, that you can apply CrystaLac products to a gloss surface or gloss and or shiny surface. That's completely wrong. If it's, for example, a pre-finished piece of furniture that has a gloss on it, you're going to be fine with applying our products over top of that, as long as it's free of any wax or silicone. Oils like lemon oils, Murphy's oil soap, waxes such as Pledge with silicone in it and things like that. With on the stainless steel, as long as it doesn't have a water resistant coating on it, or another product that's possibly oil based, that's not completely dry and totally off gassed, that would prevent adhesion. But just because it's a shiny surface or a glossy surface doesn't mean that our products won't stick to it. They will. Using CrystaLac Bright Tone over epoxy, it's been done for many years. Extreme protection over an oil-based polyurethane that is completely dry and off-gassed. It's been done for many years. Using again, extreme protection or bright tone on glass. You may want to scuff it up just a bit to give a little bit more bite to it, but it's not really a problem. The key is when you apply any of our products, whether it's the Flippin' Awesome Universal White, It's Not Shellac, whatever it is that you're using of our products, that it goes on in a thin coat. You give it the recommended dry time, and you allow it to cure and harden up before you start picking or pulling or tugging at it. You will know right away if it's having adhesion issues. You will see pulling, P-U-L-L-I-N-G, or even pooling, where with the pulling, it pulls away from the edges or any corners. Pooling is when the product kind of separates from itself and makes little pools, kind of like mercury would if you poured mercury out on the floor. So that's just a quick tip for the day. I just wanted to address that, share it with the different groups. Shiny or glossy isn't a problem as long as it's free of oil, wet oil that isn't off-gassed, solvents, solvent-based products, petroleum-based products that's not dry and off-gassed. As long as they are dry and off-gassed, you're fine. That's pretty much it. So make sure they're clean. Give it a scuff if you're in doubt. But I assure you, going over epoxy, 2K lacquers, anything like that, as long as they're totally off-gassed, you won't have any problems. Hope that helps. If anybody has any questions, ask below. Thanks a lot. Bye.